from the Kalahari manganese fields, Northern Cape of South Africa. Now, from this deposit, we often had barite portraying a similar habit. It's in this case, it appears to be a calcite. When I look at the fracture zone on the sides, it's that of the calcite, which always cleaves in a cubic way. Quite lovely, pristine, clean section. Maybe some aragonite going into calcite, and of course maybe a thin layer of calcium carbonate. Generally all calcites, now the black dusting you see on some sections would be most likely some manganite dusting it. What is appealing about this guy when held in hand, you can clearly see the patterning on these crystals, on the edges of these crystals. Now I'm a little bit unsure. I think I'm going to go with calcite on this one, but it may very well be barite. Just the crystal form and the relative weight are that which calcite would have, so it's not as heavy as I'd expect barite to be. But I must say, typically I'd find barite in this formation from the Channing 2 mine, Northern Cape of South Africa. Of course, way up north, as you go from the little town of Kuruman, you travel about 100 kilos, and then you get to the little town of Blackrock, and you'll see the headgear of all the Kalahari, a lot of the Kalahari mines in that deposit, Channing 1, 2, 3 vessels, all interlinked at some point, just for a point of interest. So these are not hundreds of kilometers apart. They actually join at sections underground. And of course, all product of expensive mining.